Devienne Rielle Lalas from Rielle Simulturistic, and I'm the greatest math learner. Anyways, I have a question. Do you always say, I hate math? Why do I need to do this? Is this necessary in my life? Math is boring. Math is hard. Well, you surely do, because as a learner, I do too. But I know that not everyone hates math. We all know that studying mathematics may be difficult, but once you get the feel of it, you'll find that it's actually a lot of fun. Math is more than just a challenging subject in our minds. And there are many interesting reasons why we should not view mathematics really as a difficult subject. So in today's Math Talk, we're going to talk about 10 interesting reasons why you should like math. Yes, you need math in order for you to save money, especially when you're into ordering clothes and stuffs. Like, how much will that lipstick be if there is a 20% off sale in Shopee 77? If you count up all the coins in your piggy bank, can I buy a new clothes? You use math to figure it out. Math problems aren't easy to solve, but when you found the answer, gosh, satisfying, right? It feels like when you found the answer, you need the celebration. If your body needs exercise, then your brain does too. Mathematics is known to significantly boost the capacity of the brain. Shapes, numbers, and patterns stimulate the development of strong observational skills as well as critical thinking. Think of math as running around at recess for your brain. Have you ever noticed how shapes fit together? The spirals in a seashell and the details of a snowflake? This is math in action. Interesting, right? If you're into cooking, math is very helpful. Like, can you divide 2 apples fairly between your 4 friends? Fractions, multiplication, measurements, these are all parts of math that show up in the kitchen. If you want to make a delicious cake for someone, then you need math to measure the right amount of ingredients you need. Do you want to be a marine biologist? Or a student who wants to be a vet or a doctor? Then if you like science, you also need to like math. Math is typically connected with science, and scientists absolutely depends on it. In science, math is used to analyze nature, discover its secrets, and explain its existence. You can play with patterns, blocks, or use compasses and rulers to create art, even spirals and symmetry. And yes, you can make a wonderful art by using math, and I'm going to show that to you. Here's a piece of art that I created when I was in grade 10 that our math teacher made us do. Measuring area, volume, math shows up in many projects that we do. Like, how much popsicle sticks do you need to build a box? Do you have enough fabric to make this bag? Yes, in everything we do, there's always math. Mathematics can be more than just learning numbers. It can also be enjoyable if it is combined with your hobbies. For example, did you know that you can use math in dancing? I really like dancing, and recently, my calculus teacher made me a graph dance which I enjoyed. Isn't it fantastic? You're having fun with your hobbies while also enjoying math. And lastly, math is a journey. We tend to think of mathematics as a means to an end. Students lose sight of the path, and the paper is returned with red correct marks. For developing a love of math, remember that the destination is essential, but so is the journey. So, Where do you think math will take you? And that's 10 interesting reasons why you should like math. I hope this talk convinced you to be interested in mathematics and learn something with the greatest math learner. So, what are you waiting for? It's not yet late to like math and enjoy exploring the world of mathematics.